justice, man. And life and property we are carrying down the road. And we move the brigade, you know. And we move the brigade as the driver. Without me, the brigade stand still.
New trucks coming to the island. They start to issue them out. And the first person that put the key into them hand is the driver. Told the driver that put them responsibility to protect and take care of this unit. One of the unit costs 120 million, sorry, 120 million. The commissioner, the sergeant, the deputy soup, all those firemen, they get paid because of the responsibility they carry out. We don't get any, and we have the most and the biggest responsibility. We got the biggest responsibility to carry 120 million plus life every day to and from fire.
I am here almost 16 years, and my salary goes up by $16,000 in that 16 years. The responsibility of the drivers, the contract drivers, is that when the bell turns up, we are driving the multi-million-dollar truck, most expensive truck. We have 6 or 7 lives in our hands, night and day, through storm and all of that, and we have to drive fast, but not fast, carefully, right, to take the firefighters to and from emergency safely. And we are getting, the responsibility doesn't match the salary.
All I can say now, I've been in this establishment for about 13 years, and I can tell you that, you know, we are patriotic people. We are patriotic people, and we have a family just like any other human being. And what I'm saying, what is deserving to us, we should get it. Yeah, that's all I can say.
Nothing more, nothing less.
Yeah, nothing more, nothing less.
I am employed to the brigade for the past 13 years. And all the increase I get during that 13 years is under $5,000. And that is between 2008 to 2012. From 2013, we hadn't had any contract. We hadn't had any salary increase. All we're getting is promise. Our situation with us. So we are tired and we are fed up. Back in the days, you would pay like a $150 fare lunch. Now, if you don't have $700, you can't get a good lunch. And it's the same salary and since 2012.
It's time to sign off now. They claim that they have the money to pay, so pay us. That's it. Bring it to an end now. Bring it to a closure. Time to go around the table and sign it off now. Bring it to an end. Enough is enough.